To use reverse wireless charging on a Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all we can open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then we need to go to battery. In battery choose charging options, and then here we have reverse wireless charging, which we can easily enable over here, and also there is the charging limit, which determines when the reverse wireless charging should be automatically disabled. So when you start charging another device with the reverse wireless charging feature, when you drop to 30-20% let's say, then the wireless charging option is going to be deactivated. So now we just have to tap on the switcher to of course turn on reverse wireless charging. I think we can also add it to the control center. Let's see if I can find it in here. There we go. Here we have reverse wireless charging, so you can use this button to quickly enable and disable reverse wireless charging. When it is enabled, you can just place your Xiaomi 17T face down, just like that, and then you can use another device that can be charged wirelessly, like another smartphone or any device in fact, and then you can just place it on top, just like that, and you should be able to start charging that other device. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.